Tonight on Verdict, the debate over a lawyer for the lone terrorist in India's custody. That's the question on India's 60 Minutes tonight. Should there be a fair trial for terrorists like Ajmal Amir Kasab? Are they entitled to legal representation? You can SMS us on those details on the screen or email us, and we're carrying your comments live throughout the entire show. You can also log on to ndtv.com. Well, this on a day when the Shiv Sena kept up its protests outside the homes of lawyers who said that they could consider representing Mohammad Ajmal Amir Kasab, the lone gunman of the Mumbai attacks, who is in police custody. The threat of violence combined with a boycott by the state's main lawyers' body means that Kasab so far doesn't have a lawyer. According to the law, the trial can't start unless the accused has legal representation. But that's not stopping groups like the Sena from escalating their protests or the threat of violence.
The Shiv Sena on a rampage outside the home of Mahesh Deshmukh, a lawyer from the town of Amravati in Vidarbha. Deshmukh is the latest lawyer who faces Sena-led protests for offering to defend Ajmal Amir Kasab, the only terrorist captured alive in the 26/11 attacks.
Actually, उसका वो constitutional right ही है, उसका अधिकार ही है. बाकी जो बातें हैं, whether he is guilty or not, वो अगर जो बातें रहेंगी वो ड्यूरिंग ट्रायल चलेंगे. डर की कोई बात ही नहीं है, क्योंकि मैं कोई ऐसा अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल या अनलॉफुल काम कर ही नहीं रहा. जो मेरे प्रोफेशन के हिसाब से करना चाहिए वो मैं कर रहा हूँ.
Just a day ago, protests against another lawyer, Ashok Sarogi, branding those who defend the terrorists as traitors.
अगर किसी वजह से कानूनी प्रतिक्रिया वकील के बिना पूरी नहीं होती और उनको सजा नहीं दी जा सकती, तो कोई भी वकील खड़ा हो जाए, मैं भी खड़ा होने तैयार हूँ, ताकि कम से कम प्रतिक्रिया पूरी हो जाए और उनको सजा हो सके.
बात ऐसी है कि सिर्फ वकील पत्र लेने का अभी सवाल नहीं है, पूरे हिंदुस्तान के अस्तित्व का सवाल है.
This threat of violence adds to the legal dilemma for the state government, which is struggling to find legal support for Kasab.
An accused has a right to be defended if he has criminal accusation against him.
Already the Metropolitan Magistrates Bar Association, a powerful body of criminal lawyers riding on the public anger, has resolved not to defend Kasab. The Bar Council of India has opposed their move, but Kasab still doesn't have a lawyer. His only option may be former Additional Advocate General P. Janardhan, who says he's willing to defend Kasab if the Pakistan embassy asks him. Kasab had written to the Pakistani High Commission last week, admitting he is a Pakistani citizen and asking for legal aid.
Public sentiment aside, no lawyer may only mean no trial, which will delay the wait for justice for the victims of 26/11. With Sanjay Shende and Prasad Kathe, Priyanka Kakodkar for NDTV.